All right, so next I'm going to disassemble this is my 250 ported head. This is the one with all the damage from the pit drop valve seat. So yeah, I'm going to disassemble this. These are the valves that I hope I at least get 6 exhaust and 6 intakes for the 300 head. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and start disassembling this. These do have the titanium retainers on the top and the extra thick keepers or heavy duty keepers. And like I said, when I had the engine damage before, they were still on the exhaust valves sitting there in the head. So they do their job. I believe these were the Ape, but honestly, I don't remember. I ordered these things 12 years ago, maybe 13, so it's the best I can do. So yep, I'm just going to use my valve spring compressor. Going to start pulling the intake valve so I have them ready to clean. On this one, all I hope to do is just use to get the springs. Magnet works good for getting these. That's all I really wanted from that one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish disassembling this one, and I will film more as I go.